Good afternoon, all. So today we'll study the fourth assignment from the PPS. Here, the fourth assignment is we need to take 5 subject marks from the user side, and after that, we are going to compute the result. And here, we'll check whether each and every subject is having marks greater than 40. If it is true, then we'll find out the class of that particular student. Like if the marks are greater than 75, then the class is distinction. If the marks are between 60%, 60 to 75, then it is a first division. If marks are between 50 to 60, then the grade that class is called as a second class. And if the aggregate marks are between 40 to 50, then here the third division would be there. So firstly, we'll take the 5 subject marks from the user side. So suppose subject 1 is your variable name, which is equal to integer, and in input, write down, enter, subject 1 marks. Likewise, we'll take 5 subject marks from the user side. So we'll copy paste it. Here instead of subject 1, write down subject 2. And subject 3. So here I have taken the 5 input from the user side. Now I'm going to calculate the total of all the subjects. Total is equal to the addition of all the subject marks. So we'll need all the variables, subject 1 plus second variable is subject 2, where that value is stored. Subject 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. So here we'll get the total marks. If you want, you can print it, but here we'll require the aggregate. So we'll calculate aggregate here. Aggregate is equal to total marks divided by the number of subjects. Total number of subjects are 5. So here you will get the aggregate. Print that aggregate. We need to check this condition. Student is passing if he or she scores marks equal to or above 40 in each course. So here we need to check whether the student is having marks greater than 40 in each and every subject. So we'll use the if statement here. If subject 1 marks are greater than or equal to 40, and for subject 2 also we need to check it. So that's why we are using and here, because we need to check that marks greater than 40 for each and every subject. So here we have taken the condition where we have checked the marks greater than or equal to 40 for each and every subject. Next, if that marks is if that aggregate is equal to will 40, then that student is pass only. So we'll print the division of that student will be pass division. Okay. After that, we'll check else if this aggregate are greater than 40 and aggregate less than or equal to 50. If greater than 40 and less than or equal to 50, then the third division will be there. Okay. The student is in third division. Next, we'll check else if these aggregates are greater than 50 and less than 60. Here we'll check whether the marks aggregates are greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60. Then the second division will be there. So we'll print it here. Else if here the third condition, if the marks are greater than or equal to 60 and less than 75. Greater than or equal to 60 and less than 75. Then we'll print it as a first division. And the last one is if marks are greater than 75, then distinction will be there. Else if these aggregates are greater than 75, greater than or equal to 75, then print it as a distinction. Condition is false. If this condition is false, then we need to print that student is failed. So else, this else will be for this if statement. Okay. So here we'll write down else print failed. Now we'll run this program. Subject 1 marks are suppose 45. At the starting, I'm giving marks greater than 40. Yes, it is working. Now I will run this program and we'll give marks less than 40 for one subject and then we'll check. Okay, so here the aggregate marks are 52.2. Still it is giving you a fail because this subject 2 is having marks less than 40. Okay, because of this it will gives you a value fail. Okay, thank you.